Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are coming back on, thanks for joining again, and I hope this video does help you a lot. So basically, let's just get right into it. We're doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial for my everyday look. Basically right here, I'm just fluffing out my eyebrows, and it's very important to start out with a sharpened pencil. So basically here what I do is start in the middle of my brow and just arch up, kind of going off of what I have going on already, and bring it down. Okay, just like that. And we want our eyebrows to be sisters and not identical. Okay, so they kind of got to look alike, but they don't have to be twins. So the same thing on this side. I'm just starting in the middle of my brow and going down. Okay. Basically here I'm doing the same thing on the bottom. Start in the middle, not in the front. We want our eyebrows to look natural. And just swoop down at the tail. Boom, just like that. Same thing on this side. In the middle of the brow, we want our brows to look very natural, so that's very important. All right, looking good. So at this point, we want to fill in with nice light strokes, not harsh. At the tip of the tail, you do want it to be a little bit harsher just because it's the tip, but when you're filling in the middle area, you just want light strokes. Yep, fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. And you guys know that I have not had my eyebrows waxed, so basically anybody can do their eyebrows this way and get it snatched if you had your eyebrows waxed or not waxed. There's a way around it. So again, you don't want to start in the middle. You want to start towards your natural shape of your eyebrows, and for your eyebrows to form and match your facial expressions when you make facial expressions. So basically I just kind of make a frown face just like that and just go off of my natural face, so that when I do make faces, my eyebrows, you know, move with my face. You don't want no stiff brows, y'all. So that's just a little tip that I do to help me or to guide me on where to stop with my eyebrows. Okay. So you just fill into your liking, not too harsh, remember, because we're not doing heavy foundation or concealer, we're doing light makeup. So this brush here I'm using just for the concealer. Everything will be in the description box below on everything I'm using today in the tutorial. So you just want a little tad bit, just like that, and start a little bit underneath your brow for any errors that may happen. It's a lot easier to fix. Okay, and the purpose for the concealer is just to make the eyebrow look a lot more sharp and more neat and crisp. Okay, just drag down that excess concealer. Same thing on this side. Concealer helps with it just being more fresh. Makes it look like you came from the salon, girl. Okay, get it, ayy. Alright, now this part I start at the top of my brow with a soft brush. See, real soft. Again, you want to use just a little bit. We want it to look natural. That's the key. Not in the front, in the middle. Okay, just like that. Same thing on this side, in the middle. Now, if you were to use heavier foundation and heavier concealer, like with the full face makeup, then I would suggest, using more product. But in this case, we're just using a little because we want it to look natural for like errands or everyday work. Okay, for this point, I'm using my fingertips just to blend in the product. I like using my fingertips just because I can get in there a little bit better. Same thing at the top, just wipe off that excess concealer, get that off, get it off, and blend it in. Same thing on this side. Boom, just like that. You can put lotion on your face, or you can just go just like this, This is a trick that I use if you're not using too much foundation to get off that excess product. With the spoolie, just get that excess off. Fluff those eyebrows. And that's it. Okay, sometimes I do just go like this, but today I'm just gonna add a little bit of foundation and concealer and a little bit of mascara. So just a little bit of foundation, 3 little dots. Everything's in the description below on all details I used for this video. It's kind of dirty, but hey, just blend that in. You don't want too much foundation because we're not doing too much. We want it to look natural. And I don't like getting product on my nose ring, if y'all were wondering why I was holding my nose like that. See, it's just all natural. Same thing on this side. Make sure you get under that eye and on top. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. If you have any excess, just put some on the other side. Don't add more. Blend, blend, blend. In the middle of your eyebrows there for more blend, makes it look more natural. Get them baby hairs. Blend, blend, blend is key. Okay, cute. So let's add a little bit of mascara. Again, everything's in the description below. Get all that excess off. Blend, blend, blend. Now, I'm not a pro when it comes to mascara, but I make it work. And just a little bit goes a long way. And it'd be cute. Opens your eyes up more. Same thing, get some more. Other side, just a little bit, y'all. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Again, I'm not a pro when it comes to mascara, but you just play with it. I do use a different type of mascara for another coat. That's just me. That's just me. That's good enough, y'all, because we just going to the store, running errands. Quick and easy. Okay, so this lash was giving me a little problem, some trouble, so I was just fixing it real quick. Alright, that works. That's it, y'all. Thank y'all for looking and coming in here, and I hope you like and subscribe. That's it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Peace.